session we are going to discuss about meters and for example ammeter, DC ammeter and DC voltmeter. Before going to the ammeter and voltmeter, let us discuss what is meter, what is the purpose of measuring instrument. Can anyone give me a hint about what is meter?
Meter is an essential device to measure electrical quantities such as current, power accurately, voltage and resistance. We have seen monitoring performance, detecting faults, finding insulation.
Thank you. Good. So now a measuring instrument is measuring any unknown quantities. Not only electrical parameters, it can be mechanical parameters as well. For example, if you are going in a bike ride, you can be able to check your speed. How? Speedometer. By using speedometer, you can just check your speed. And what about your temperature? Temperature of a human body? How you measure that? By using thermometer. By using thermometer, you can measure the temperature. So, any instrument for measuring an unknown quantity which is not known to us, we will be calling it as measuring instrument. Okay. And when you come to, and we have another, for example, you can just go for weighing machine. It measures what? Weight. Right. Can you give any other example like this? You can measure humidity, you can measure pressure, you can measure our blood pressure as well, right? So everything we have an instrument. Thus, these instruments we will be calling it as measuring instrument. Now we will come for electrical quantities. Okay? And before going to what is the purpose of this, when you are making empathy of this thing, measuring instrument, the empathy is to give any unknown quantity, to measure an unknown quantity. For example, previously he said measuring any unknown quantity, right? So that is the purpose of this measuring instrument. And how you will be designing an DC voltmeter, can you explain one?
It works on the principle of current flowing through a coil and magnetically reduces power. Pointer on the scale, the voltage is.
Good, thank you. So now our problem is how you will measure it. What principle we will be using? So that's a problem, right? You know the problem, okay? You know the problem that we need to measure any quantity. For example, you need to measure voltage across circuit. And how you will design that here is by using a principle by like mutual inductance. By using a PMMC meter, we will be measuring, okay? Permanent moving coil, okay, magnet moving coil type. How it works here is, whenever we have two magnets, okay? We have two magnets, and whenever there is whenever the current is flowing through a magnet in a magnetic field, okay? So what happens? It will develop a force or torque. Normally we will be calling it a torque. And because of that torque, your pointer will be getting deflected. You have a needle like this, okay? It will be getting moving. So this is how it works. And we have different types, right? We have AC quantities as well as DC quantities. Can anyone give me what is AC and DC difference between that?
AC voltage is changes with time and can be transmitted over long distance with electro energy loss and used in homes and industries. DC currents are voltage remains constant and cannot be transmitted over long distance. It goes in large areas.
And can we store our AC? Can we store our AC quantity? No. What is the parameter for your battery in your battery, AC or DC?
DC.
So always we'll be storing a DC. So in order to measure that voltage across the battery or some other DC quantities, we'll be using DC ammeter. And AC ammeters will be, voltmeter will be used in, for example, voltage across any AC quantities. Okay? And AC meters can be used for DC as well as AC. Keep that in mind. So this is how we have developed prototype at last. Okay? So the main purpose is to measure any unknown voltage across the circuit. The voltmeter is used. Okay? So now there is a prototype developed at last to measure a voltmeter. So I think you are able to get an idea what is voltmeter and how it works. So thank you.